Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you how to make $500 as a brand new stylist, or as I call my team, Polish Pack, the Paid Avengers, how to make $500 as a brand new paid Avenger or stylist in Color Street. My name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now, because I will be here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. So today we're going to dive into how to make $500 as a brand new stylist in the Color Street business. First of all, I want to say that with Color Street, you absolutely do not have to build a team to make money. You make between 25 and 35% off your own personal sales, and you don't have to meet a quota to get that payment, right? So if you only sell $100 worth of product, you will make that 25%. And it goes up in percentages. The more you sell, the higher percentage you get. So to make $500 off of your own personal sales, you would need to do $1,700 in sales when you're first getting started, which sounds like a lot. It's totally doable, but let's talk about what I feel like is the easiest way to, as a brand new person just coming into the business, make $500 right off the bat. Okay, so you're a brand new stylist. What do you need to do? So first thing is you're going to sell $1,000 worth of product within your first calendar month. What that's going to do is put $280 cash money in your pocket, because now you're at that 28% commission rate. So your commission rate has gone up 3% because you sold over $600 worth of product. And then you're going to help two friends sell $400 worth of product. So you're going to bring two friends into the business and help each of them sell $400 worth of product. Now they're making $100 and you're making $280. So they've almost made their money back from their investment in their business, and you have more than made your money back, right? Now what this is going to do is get you your first promotion to a promotion we call senior stylist. So that's the first promotion you can get with the company. So you did your $1,000 in sales and you made $280. Then you helped two friends come in and made you $400 in sales, and they each made $100, and you get $48. So you get a percentage off of what you help them sell as well. So you make an additional $48. So now you're at $328. Okay, so Color Street has something called the Circle of Excellence. And even as a brand new stylist, you can get in this circle of excellence. When you, in one calendar month, help two people come in and you personally sell $1,000 in product, then you're in what's called the circle of excellence. So now you got your first promotion to senior stylist and you're in the circle of excellence. So when you're in the circle of excellence, as a senior stylist, you get an additional $75 bonus. So you were at $328. So now basically you're at $400, right at $400, right? $403, I think. And whenever to be in the circle of excellence, you just need $1,000 in sales and just to bring two people in. That's it. They don't have to do anything. But if they BQ, which you helped them do because you helped them sell their first $400 in product, then you get an additional $50 each. So that's an additional $100 for the two people you brought in and help them get $400 in sales. So now you're at over $500 when you're just starting out with Color Street. So that is the fastest way for you to put an extra $500 in your pocket when you're just starting out. And you can repeat that process over and over and over again. And if you do, your team is going to grow and you're going to continue to promote, and those percentages that you're making and the bonuses that you're making are going to get bigger and bigger. So you're actually going to make more money if you continue that process. So tell me below if you have been looking at Color Street, if it's a company that you're interested in learning more about and you're you're thinking about joining, I would love to chat with you. If you have questions, just drop them below. I will link my messenger on Facebook so that we can communicate, because if you have questions about Color Street, about the compensation plan, about the team culture, all those things, I definitely would love to chat with you a little bit more. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. Okay, bye.